Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. In today's capsule, I am going to talk about an extension to the previous day topic wherein I talked about how to get top 3 customers without any pivot tables. Today I am going to talk about how do you get the top 3 customers along with values and that too in one cell. So this is going to be super important and creative if you want to summarize values without writing any VBA or without using any pivot tables for that matter. So let's head over to the data. So this is our data which we had considered the last day, and our last day solution stands at here. I will provide the link to the previous day video in the description wherein you can go and first visit that video in case you already haven't. Now here what we had done is we had just got the top 3 customers. In this case they were B, D and J. Now as a next step, we want to graduate from this to this wherein we have the names of the salesmen along with the sales, and they are appearing in separate line items, but please note that they are still appearing in one cell and we are not going to use any VBA for that matter or any pivot table. It's just plain formula. So what we are going to do, we are going to again write from scratch for the benefit of all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first write what is the formula that we are going to write. First of all, sort by, because that was our starting point. So we want to sort this data by this data, and the sort order we want is descending order. We select this, so we get this data. Now the next step was using the take function. In take function we wanted this array and we wanted how many rows? Only top 3. So that's why we were taking 3 rows bracket close. That was the result we achieved the last day. Now let us play with it. What additional information do we require along with this? We require the numbers along with this. So instead of just taking the array as customer, which is the first array we are taking, we will take a concatenation of customer along with sales as the value that we want, and it is super simple to do. So what we are going to do, we are just going to add an ampersand over here and symbol, and we are going to select this array as well, and we press enter. The moment you do that, our data is getting clubbed, but it's becoming a bit clumsy because there is no separator. Also the data or the number is coming in a decimal way, which we do not want. It looks clumsy when you are presenting to the management. So we are going to do some smart work. We are going to add again, we are again going to write an and. We are going to insert a space with a colon. We are going to close it, and for the sales numbers we are going to use the formula round, and in round the number of digits that we want after decimal is 0. So we are just going to do that. Now see, so far so good. This part is done. Now what is the next piece? The next piece is the final trick, which is text join function. It's a super powerful function. It's I would say the father and mother of concatenate function, and here it asks for a delimiter. So we are going to use the delimiter as a comma, a space and a comma, and we want to ignore the empty cell, so we'll take true and comma, and in the end we will close it with another bracket. But wait, it looks clumsy because see, the look that I had here was a very neat and clean look. Here it is not that clean, so we will add one more thing. So anytime when you are having such kind of data, let me just try and show it over here. The moment you press a Alt plus enter, it creates a spacing which also moves to the next line. And in order to activate that functionality, which is Alt plus enter, the shortcut is unichar bracket 10. So this is the language that Excel understands. So we will put the unichar 10 as one of the separators. It's super simple. We'll go over here. We will in the separator along with the comma we will add and we will write unichar 10, and we'll press the enter. The moment we do that, our job is done. Do let me know in the comments how you would like to apply it in your day-to-day work. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.